Welcome to the Bronfman Jewish Education Center, the planning and coordinating agency for Jewish community educational needs in Montreal. This is our first monthly video newsletter of 2014, and as you will see, there's a lot going on in BJEC's formal education department this new year. Before we get to all of the wonderful things taking place here at BJEC, a word of welcome from our Director of Formal Education and Interim Executive Director, Dr. Karen Gazit.
Welcome everybody, Bruchim Habaim, to our January newsletter. As you will soon hear, January has been a really busy month at the Bronfman Jewish Education Center's Department of Formal Education. It's been a month full of new and exciting learning initiatives. As you'll soon hear, we began our University of New Brunswick Bachelor of Education program. We are continuing with our Response to Intervention initiative, and we've started this outstanding Adlerian leadership session. Enjoy, and thank you for listening.
First off, BJEC is very excited to announce that its new after-school reading remediation program opened at the end of January. Students were assessed using standardized measures in order to get an accurate reading profile and ensure that the necessary improvement areas were targeted. The smiles on the faces of the students as they left were proof that they not only learned a lot but also had a great time. We are looking forward to seeing the progress in the weeks to come. In other news, Gregory Quadzo, our French language consultant, continued his work with our secondary schools in order to help improve the oral competencies of our high school graduates. Ce mois passé, il a organisé avec les élèves du secondaire 5 à Herzliya des ateliers de débat une fois par semaine. Un des sujets abordés était sur la Charte des valeurs québécoises, qui a suscité beaucoup de passion de la part des participants. À Bialik, Gregory a commencé les conversations françaises pendant l'heure du dîner avec la participation volontaire d'environ 30 élèves une fois par semaine.
Déjà, les élèves sont très intéressés et c'est pour moi un plaisir de travailler avec eux.
Speaking of Gregory, he hosted our French Communities of Practice session, which took place on January 17th. These COP sessions, which each target a specific discipline within our schools, were launched due to overwhelming demand from our teachers to break down barriers and connect the schools with one another. The theme of our French COP session was Le Français en classe d'aujourd'hui, and was well attended by the teachers and coordinators who decided to brave the cold weather. The group was exposed to a variety of real-world techniques for use in today's French classroom, and in keeping with the theme of communities of practice, everyone shared ideas and different approaches that they are currently using in their own schools. For more information on BJEC's communities of practices, please visit the COP website, which is located at cop.bjec.org. Previous sessions have included workshops from Dr. Joe Schwartz, Donna Lee Smith, and Andrea Borod. Over in the Department of Special Education, a new advanced assessment tool was introduced to 8 schools. Billed as being the practical bridge between data and instruction, Dibbles Deep will deliver brief diagnostic assessments designed to provide detailed information about student skills that educators can use to make the best instructional decisions. Next month, BJEC will be working with all its schools on La Forêt de l'Alphabet, a French reading program designed for the kindergarten classroom. The Special Education Department will also be hosting RTI Foundation meetings and workshops on Sound Partners, a reading remediation program for students in kindergarten to grade 2. BJEC, in collaboration with University of New Brunswick, is very excited about the launch of the 4-year Bachelors of Education program. The first term is already underway, with ED 5950, Administration and Curriculum Leadership, now being taught by Dr. Karen Gazit. 30 aspiring teachers from our Jewish day schools are participating in this program, and this initiative has been made possible through the support of JCAM, Jewish Center for Advanced Education in Montreal. The Jen J. Moot Court of Jewish Law Beit Din is now in its 6th year. Secondary 4 students from 4 of our Jewish day schools, Herzliya, Bialik, École Maïmonide, and Hebrew Academy, have been divided into teams and will once again be studying a legal case and render a decision using various Judaic sources. This year's case will be on the issues pertaining to organ transplantation. The first phase saw the students visit the Faculty of Law at McGill University, where they learned how to write a legal brief from McGill professor Maître Lena Lamed. The final moot court event will take place on Wednesday, May 7th, 2014, whereby an awards ceremony will take place at the Faculty of Law at McGill University, at which time the winning teams in each school will make their final presentation. A sincere thank you to Met Helena Lamed for her terrific presentation to our students. And last but not least, Smadar Sela, a senior Adlerian counselor, will be presenting a 2-day workshop on bringing out the best Adlerian tools in education on February 3rd and February 4th in the Bija classroom. The Adlerian theory, which was developed by Alfred Adler, founder of the influential school of individual psychology, is a social model of human behavior which provides an effective framework to improve managerial practices and enhance organizational leadership. The cost for the 2-day sessions is $250 per participant. For more information, please contact Limor Alkobi. Many more exciting and educational events are in the works for the upcoming months. Please visit our website at www.bijak.org to keep up to date with the latest, and stay tuned next month for another edition of our Bijak video newsletter.